The Logitech Casa pop-up desk brings a fresh, flexible approach to home workspace design. Perfect for those who need a portable, ergonomic solution, this foldable desk adapts to your lifestyle. With its easy setup, you can work comfortably anywhere in your home, whether on a high countertop, the dining table, or a cozy corner bathed in sunlight. Once the workday is over, simply fold it away and reclaim your space. Engineered to improve your posture, the Casa pop-up desk includes a unique, book-like case that unfolds into an ergonomic laptop stand. At the intersection of ancient ritual and modern innovation lies a teapot designed not just to brew tea, but to read the room, feel your pulse, and create the perfect cup with quiet precision. The Yanko Smart Teapot elevates the simple act of making tea into a finely tuned performance, guided by intelligent sensors, an intuitive app, and the wisdom of time-honored technique. App-controlled precision means you don't need to guess brew times or temperatures. Simply select your tea through the connected app and let the machine do the rest. The Dream X50 Ultra Robot vacuum and mop offers a seamless cleaning experience for modern homes. Equipped with 20,000 Pascal suction power, this device provides a thorough deep clean, efficiently picking up dust, dirt, and debris across multiple surfaces. Its advanced obstacle avoidance technology ensures smooth navigation around furniture and obstacles, preventing any bumps or interruptions to its cleaning path. The Nostalgia Retro drink maker brings a classic touch of soda fountain charm to your kitchen. With its vintage-inspired design, it's not just about making drinks, it's about recreating the magic of old-fashioned milkshakes and malts. This versatile machine is perfect for crafting thick milkshakes, malted drinks, and even health-conscious beverages, making it a fun addition to any home kitchen. Equipped with a 100-watt motor, this milkshake maker offers 2 speeds for precise control over drink consistency. Unlock the full potential of your citrus fruits with the Zulle Extra Large Lemon Squeezer, a tool designed to maximize juice extraction with minimal effort. This efficient juicer features a grooved bowl that enhances the squeezing process, ensuring that every drop of juice is captured. Its built-in strainer catches seeds and pulp, delivering smooth, clean juice every time. Elevate your hydration experience with the SodaStream ART Sparkling Water Maker, a sleek and efficient way to turn tap water into refreshing sparkling beverages. With a simple press of the handle, you can easily create fizzy drinks for any occasion, whether you're hosting a gathering or enjoying a moment of solitude. The SodaStream ART in black brings a touch of elegance to your kitchen, blending retro metal accents with a modern design. Its refined aesthetic enhances any space, making it a functional and stylish addition to your home. Carrying meals to work should be simple, smart, and space-saving. And that's exactly what the VLB Smart Vertical Lunchbox delivers. Designed for professionals and busy individuals, this lunchbox stands upright to maximize your bag space while keeping your meals organized. With a quick flip, it transforms from vertical to horizontal, offering flexible mealtime arrangements wherever you are. The VLB features removable food containers, giving you easy access to your lunch without any hassle. The Selfie Air Neo is a compact yet powerful mini drone designed to elevate your aerial photography experience. Built for beginners and experts alike, this drone features an impressive 2K camera capable of capturing stunning high-quality images and videos. Whether you're looking to shoot unique footage or simply have fun flying, the Air Neo offers an intuitive, user-friendly design, making it an ideal choice for all skill levels. In a world where your desk becomes your canvas, the Abusys Lamp Plus transforms daily interaction. It projects vivid content directly onto your tabletop, maintaining sharp clarity and definition. Every movement is seamless with natural touch control. Your finger becomes the mouse, responding effortlessly to each command. Beyond lighting, the wooden body serves as a resonant speaker, delivering immersive 360-degree audio that envelops your space with warmth and clarity. The GlomeMe Pet Phone offers an innovative way to monitor and care for your pet, combining real-time tracking with health management. Equipped with a super tracker, it ensures you can pinpoint your pet's exact location, whether near or far, using light and sound for easy identification. This makes it ideal for outdoor adventures or simply keeping tabs around the house. Its secure geofence feature adds an extra layer of safety by setting predefined boundaries. If your pet strays outside this area, you'll receive instant alerts ensuring they remain safe at all times. From early breakfast to late-night meals, this countertop powerhouse reshapes what your kitchen can do without taking over your entire counter. The Brevel Smart Countertop Convection Oven with Element IQ system brings commercial-grade precision to your everyday cooking routine, cutting down cook times by up to 30% with its convection boost. This isn't just a toaster oven, it's a highly capable kitchen assistant with 9 tailored cooking functions: toast, bagel, bake, roast, broil, pizza, cookies, reheat, and warm. When your gaming laptop begins to radiate heat like a furnace mid-match, you need cooling that's more than decorative. Enter the Yano Phi 12 RGB laptop cooling pad. This is a precision-engineered platform built to handle the heat of 15.6-inch to 21-inch laptops with zero compromise. Instead of relying on noisy fans or inconsistent airflow, the V12 deploys a powerful turbofan system that pulls in cool air fast and flushes out hot air even faster. Reimagine how your screen moves with you, not the other way around. The LG Smart Monitor Swing reinvents versatility with a 31.5-inch 4K UHD touchscreen that pivots, tilts, and swings effortlessly into your workflow. Whether you're sketching out big ideas, crunching data, or binging your favorite show, this display adapts to your moment. Experience a seamless setup that gets you working in minutes. Its USB-C, HDMI, and Bluetooth connectivity open the door to an efficient workspace. No dongles, no clutter. Unfold a world of interactivity right on your table with the Allight Cube Smart Projector. Roughly the size of a soda can and weighing just under 1 pound, this portable powerhouse transforms any flat surface into a vibrant 32-inch touchscreen. From the classroom to the kitchen, from creative workspaces to game night, Allight opens up new dimensions of productivity and play with intuitive touch controls and cutting-edge AI recognition. For gamers who value precision, comfort, and compatibility across devices, the GameSire X5 Lite delivers performance that stays locked in even when action heats up. At just 0.30 pounds, it's lightweight without sacrificing build quality. Its ergonomic shape and laser-engraved textured grips offer comfort during extended sessions. GameSire Hall Effect sticks deliver anti-drift precision, giving players a tactical edge. Revolutionize your note-taking experience with NuaPen, where technology meets precision. No more dealing with the chaos of paper clutter. With NuaPen, your handwritten notes, whether on sticky notes or large paper rolls, are instantly digitized and organized. This AI-powered tool adapts to any writing surface, allowing you to create freely and without restriction. NuaPen's cutting-edge AI ensures smooth, continuous writing for up to 2 hours on a single charge. Capture professional-grade audio in any environment with this sleek wireless lavalier mic system engineered for modern creators. Built to sync effortlessly with iPhone 15 or 16 and USB-C Android devices, this compact powerhouse delivers hi-fi sound without the hassle of tangled wires or complicated setup. Whether you're recording a vlog on the go, streaming live, or capturing interviews, this microphone adapts quickly to your needs. Crank up the volume by the pool, in the shower, or on the trail. This rugged speaker is engineered for any environment. Built to perform under pressure, it handles water, dust, and impact with ease. Whether clipped to your backpack or floating beside you in the hot tub, this compact device doesn't just survive, it thrives. With 20 hours of battery life on a single charge, you can soundtrack your entire day without reaching for the charger. And when the sun goes down, it's still going strong, keeping the vibe alive through nightfall. The Algo Laser Pixie brings precision and versatility to a compact design, making it an ideal tool for those seeking to enhance their creativity and craftsmanship. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned maker, Pixie offers an intuitive experience that allows for effortless creation and personalization. Perfect for family fun, Pixie encourages collaborative projects where you and your loved ones can engrave designs on wood, leather, and metal. No more waiting on clunky dispensers or wasting space with bulky filters. This compact, efficient system redefines what clean water access looks like. The Drop A1RO countertop water dispenser is more than just a filter. It's a smart hydration hub built for modern homes. Certified lead-free under NSF ANSI 372 and verified by SGS testing labs, it ensures your water is not only safe, but exceptionally pure. Power through your daily grind with gear that meets the demands of professionals. The BooksTab Ultra C Pro is a 10.3-inch HD e-ink tablet engineered for peak performance and elevated productivity. With Kaleido 3-color e-paper, it mimics the richness of newspaper print, reducing eye strain while delivering crisp, vibrant visuals, even under direct sunlight. Fueling its efficiency is an advanced 8-core processor clocking up to 2.8 GHz, paired with Books' exclusive Super Refresh technology. Innovation meets nostalgia with the Iono Retro Mini PC AMO1S, a unique fusion of classic style and modern performance. Revealed through an online livestream, the AMO1S is the first mini PC featuring a flip secondary screen design, bringing the Iono remake concept to life in a compact, high-performing format. Engineered with retro aesthetics and cutting-edge functionality, the AMO1S stands out as a rare gem among high-performance mini PCs. The Thor TEC provides a versatile solution for those needing reliable, organized gear storage and easy accessibility. With its bucket-style access, you can reach into any section with ease, allowing for quick retrieval of equipment or supplies. Its 360-degree reach makes it incredibly efficient, ensuring that every part of the pack is within arm's length. This design also supports an ultra-organized setup, giving you dedicated compartments for different items. The grab-and-go handles allow for quick lifts. Engineered for efficiency in the most demanding environments, the Toughbuilt Stackte drawer toolboxes redefine professional-grade tool storage. The Stackte 1-drawer and 3-drawer toolboxes introduce a new tier of accessibility, featuring a seamless, self-aligning stacking system and an auto-locking interface for true one-handed use. The innovative single-point slide switch allows for fast, secure operation, ideal for fast-paced job sites where every second counts. Futuristic function meets bold design in this powerhouse charging companion. The Alpha 65-watt USB-C fast charger delivers a striking presence on any desk or nightstand, doubling as an eye-catching tech collectible and an ultra-efficient charging device. Its clever transforming design allows it to sit when powering up your gear or stand tall like a miniature mech when idle, offering both versatility and visual appeal. More than just its looks, the Alpha 65 is built for serious performance. The Roller Pro is a sleek, durable trolley built to accommodate the needs of modern travelers and photographers. Engineered with a hybrid soft-hard construction, it balances lightweight maneuverability with rugged resilience. Its design offers enhanced access, allowing users to easily organize and reach their belongings. The trolley's robust yet thin structure ensures it can endure the rigors of travel while remaining compact enough for efficient storage. Engineered for expansive living spaces, this high-capacity air purifier redefines what quiet power looks like. Outfitted with a HEPA H13 grade filtration system, it removes ultrafine particles with surgical precision, capturing allergens, pollutants, and gases. Its filtration surface is 3.8 times larger than the previous generation, delivering consistent performance for up to 5 years without replacement. The Aerospring Pinch is an innovative and versatile system designed to elevate both outdoor and indoor gardening. This high-yield solution offers an efficient growing experience with minimal effort. Engineered for modularity, it allows users to customize the setup according to their space and needs, offering 4 distinct configurations to choose from. Whether you're looking to optimize a small urban space or expand into a larger area, the flexibility of the Aerospring Pinch ensures that your garden thrives. The Pivo Pod Light is a compact and versatile phone holder designed to elevate your video recording and sports training experience. With its innovative 360-degree rotation capability, it follows your movements effortlessly, ensuring that every shot, swing, or drill is captured with precision. This smartphone stand is ideal for those engaged in racket sports, tennis, basketball, and other dynamic activities where movement is key. Equipped with auto-tracking technology, the Pivo Pod Light ensures hands-free operation. Underneath the daily grind of office work or long commutes lies a silent culprit: poor posture. That's where this intelligently engineered back cushion steps in, offering tailored support without compromise. Crafted from premium memory foam, this lumbar support pillow molds to the natural curve of your spine, helping alleviate lower back strain and enhance posture whether you're on the road or working from a desk. In a world where compact tech meets big screen dreams, the Nebula Capsule Air Google TV projector rises to the challenge with substance and style. This isn't just a projector, it's a portal to immersive entertainment. The built-in Google TV interface unlocks over 700,000 movies and shows, searchable by voice using the remote's Google Assistant button. Its native 720p HD resolution, supported by Dolby Digital Audio, creates crisp, theater-like projection in bedrooms, tents, or living rooms. Precision and adaptability define the Thor TEC 36 Lightning Boil Burner Cooktop. Built for culinary enthusiasts who demand both speed and finesse, this 36-inch electric cooktop offers advanced features that push everyday cooking into a more professional league. At its heart is the Lightning Boil Center Burner, engineered with 3 concentric rings that adapt to your needs. Gently melt chocolate using just the 6-inch ring or activate all rings to produce rapid heat for boiling water in under a minute. Lightweight doesn't have to mean limited, and the foldable Origami mouse proves it. Built with precision and minimalism in mind, this portable powerhouse weighs in at under 1.41 ounces, making it one of the lightest full-function mice in its category. It's designed to vanish into your travel kit or work bag with zero bulk, then snap into form with a satisfying fold for instant readiness.